We enable kids to take technology as a hobby and generate passion out of it so that they can get better and wider opportunity. They contribute into creating the future. Hello, I am Sharad Bansal, co-founder and CEO of Tinkerly. I come from a small town of Rajasthan, born and brought up in Rajasthan, and coming from a service class family, got the opportunity to actually study in different schools. And there I realized actually that how schooling varies, but the methodology is same. Then I landed up in a place called Gangapur city where there was more competitiveness, which is nearby to Kota. And then fortunately from there, actually that was the place where the aspiration first hit me. That if you want to go into say engineering, then you have to go into IIT. When I fortunately actually got into IIT Delhi, at that point of time, the idea was that just will go a conventional stream of IIT IIM and then that way getting a good job. But there got the opportunity to actually work in the entrepreneurship cell of IIT Delhi and work with some fellow entrepreneurs and other startups of our seniors. At that time also, I met my friend Sophie, who was my batchmate from same department, same cycle, Kapil, who was 1 year senior, who used to teach us how to clear actually physics exams, and Vivek, who was working in Delhi. So we all met there, and given the entrepreneurship sales experience, we decided that we actually really want to do something of our own, which can actually create an impact onto whatever we are doing, the real-time impact you can measure. That is the most beautiful part of actually doing the entrepreneurship. But how the idea came in, the Tinkerly, the name itself suggests tinkering. Like you do something jugaad in an unorganized manner and you're learning out of it, that is Tinkerly. But how this idea came in is that there is a methodology in the college we realized is that LPT, lecture, practical and tutorial. So whatever you're learning in theory, you are doing the practical on the same day or maybe the same week. But imagine someone like me who has been in 15 years of education in this school, who has never done practicals. And you can accept some times for the board exams, but of course, whatever we have learned in my 15 years, that was all theoretical, and suddenly you expect me to do innovations. That was a big gap that was existing in the school, in the college education. And the Tinkerly's idea came in is that whatever you want to do there, or whatever you want to learn, you should do the hands-on experiments. So it's not about just clearing exams and getting marks, it is beyond that. Now, when a child starts a journey with Tinkerly, how does that happen? And how it is different than a conventional coding course which they will be learning. So when a child learns, in the first step, we have usually a 6 months courses. So in the first step, they are learning about computational thinking with very interesting animations and the games. They are learning how algorithms are designed, how maths and science is applied into algorithms and machines. Second step is that they start developing code on the drag and drop models. So like on Scratch or other platforms, they start writing codes out of those algorithms. Now the third step comes is about 3 months down the line, they are actually creating simulation based projects. So if you can apply that programming into creating a device, for example, home security system, when you are outside your home, if someone unauthorized is coming in and then there is an alarm beeping. So how you create those kind of projects using code, but in a virtual simulation world by the time you're in third world. After the third month, there would be kits will be received by you. So there will be a delivery, the kit will be shipped from Tinkerly, and you will, whatever you have learned in the simulations, you will be having that in your hand. So this is where the interesting part comes in Tinkerly. Now you will be having your own sensors and controllers. So what till now you were doing in the virtual world, now you'll be creating in on your desk. And you can create by the end of 6 months when you're completing the course with us, you will be creating very exciting devices that you can real time apply in your homes, in your schools, in your places, and you can play with it. You can create robots, you can create your smart pet, anything you can create there. But the journey doesn't end in 6 months when the course completes. From there, 2 years down the line, you will be creating X number of other devices and applying AI into it or Internet of Things into it. 10 years down the line, you would have learned so many other things that you can choose, that you want to become an automobile engineer, or you want to become an space engineer, you want to become a designer, or you want to become a marketer. So that way, the journey, it's not about just learning a course for 6 months. It's about preparing for it, what you are actually going to be doing, what you want to become in future. So that's where the Tinkerly journey enables children to actually see that what they have and what they want to do.